Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome to my course on the attractive character. Now you're probably wondering, what is the attractive character? Well, my brand is Boldilocks Does Marketing. I am Boldilocks. I am the attractive character, or the face of my brand. Now, you may be thinking, well, he's not that attractive, and you're probably right. But when you look at different brands, they have different characters which you associate with them. So for example, Compare the Market, you've got the comparethemarket.com meerkats, and you have like Uncle Sergey and a couple of the family members, but it's all part of creating the brand image. With McDonald's, you've got Ronald McDonald. I'm not dressing up as a clown for you, I don't have the makeup. But well, maybe I do actually, but the thing is, when you think of McDonald's, you don't think of the Hamburglar, you don't think of any of the other characters, but you think of Ronald McDonald's, KFC, you think of the Colonel. So when it comes to building your brand and creating a presence for yourself online, creating an attractive character or a face for your brand, and making one which is compelling and interesting, this is what we're going to be doing throughout the course. Anyway, let's get on to the first part, which I'm sure you're going to like.